How to contact Zooba support. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Are you playing Zooba and need help with your account, purchase, lost progress or problem in the game? If yes, launch open the Zooba app on your device and from the main screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Now you'll open the settings menu where you need to click support. Once you're inside the supports tab, browse the available help topics and select the one that matches your problem. After you do that, you'll receive necessary help or info for that problem. To get in touch with the support team, tap on Get in Touch at the bottom and then enter your name, email address, select the category of the issue you are talking about, and enter your message in the message box at the bottom. You can describe your issue clearly and provide the requested information. You can also attach a screenshot of the problem by tapping on this little paperclip icon at the bottom left and attaching your screenshots if you have any. And finally, tap on this little green send button at the bottom right corner. After sending your support request, wait for the support team to respond. And that's how you contact Zooba support when you need help regarding any kind of an issue you are facing while playing in Zooba. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.